Um, Hello everyone, how are you? So I'm back again. Actually, this time I've come with a different thing altogether. So today is Sunday, and generally when I was working with the corporate world, what we used to do on Sunday, हम full relax करते थे या अपने सारे pending काम करते थे. मैं एटलीस्ट यही करती थी या फिर मैं बहुत सोती थी बिकॉज मुझे मंडे टू फ्राइडे लाइक फुली पैक्ड अप विद लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड आई एम श्योर बहुत सारे आप लोग इस चीज़ को रिलेट कर सकते हो बट टुडे इट्स डिफरेंट since when I've joined this business, which is a Herbalife business, I'm working, I guess, more than I used to work in the corporate world. But this difference that I am feeling is I'm having a smile throughout my day. Maybe because I'm doing what I really wanted to do, or maybe I'm enjoying my work more. I'm getting tired, but not because that I'm pressurized by somebody. That's why I'm tired, or there are so many thoughts going in my mind, like how I'll focus on my kid or in my home. But here I'm just enjoying everything that I'm doing. I'm enjoying. I'm getting a late sleep because I am doing whatever I wanted to do in my life. So this is the best part, that you should do what you really enjoying doing it. So this time I want to share something else as well. So today my morning, I'll just tell you what I started with. My morning started with 7 o'clock, one session on the wellness talk, where one of our amazing doctor talked about the cholesterol, and that was amazing session. A lot of us are suffering from the cholesterol issue. So I got that amazing information on cholesterol. After that, 8 o'clock, that finished by 8, and on 8 o'clock I had taken my weekly call, a call with my clients who have taken participate in the season 3 fitness challenge, and it was just amazing to see their changes in just 1 week. And we had shake also together, so it was amazing to talk with them for an hour. And after that, I just quickly took the bath and wrap up my stuff of home. I finished my lunch. I made my son ready. I given him the breakfast. And then at 11 o'clock, my another training started. And the difference between, what I can figure it out on Sunday, even in corporate life, if somebody used to tell me कि, आपको संडे को ऑफिस आना है या फिर आपको घर से काम करना है, I used to hate it like anything. But here, it's so different. On Sunday, 11 o'clock, I have attended 2 hours of training, but I loved every bit of it. And I'll just share few of the things that I loved about it. So why I enjoy over here? So one most important thing why I enjoy over here, it talks about the good health. You have money, but if you don't have a health, there is no point. Because आपकी अगर हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है और आपके पास बहुत सारे पैसे हैं, you won't be having all the fun. So that's one thing here. I have the good health, and I am earning money as well. Another good point was the extra income. I came over here in this business just for having my good health for myself and for my family, but in turn I earned as well, so that was a bonus for me. And it's not that less. So the more efforts you put, the more is the earning part. And the third thing that I've just wrote it down so that I don't miss any point. So I'm just looking at my notes that I have made from today's training. So it's about achieving your dreams. We all have dreams. We accept it or not, we all have our dreams. But how many of us are able to fulfill our dreams? So here is the opportunity that you get the time to fulfill your dreams. You get the money to fulfill those dreams with less stress and with less time foundations. So I love about that part. And another thing is the personality development. Yes, those who think that they are not good personality wise as well, so our training system and support system are too good. They help you in developing your personality as well. Last but not the least is the happiness. The happiness that I get when my people come to me and say thank you for helping us out. So I don't think so many of us get to hear this from the strangers. जिनको हम सिर्फ फेसबुक पे जानते थे या इंस्टा पे जानते थे, और फिर हमने उनके साथ टाई अप करा, हमने उनके प्लान्स बनाए, उनकी हेल्थ इंप्रूव करने के लिए उनकी हेल्प करी, उनके पर्सनलाइज प्लान्स बनाए. And those people, when they turn up and say, "Oh my God, Astha, you changed life in us, and you showed us the new perspective." So I just feel the best when I get those compliments, because हेल्थ इज समथिंग वी जनरली डोंट टेक इट इन फ्रंट. सब लोग काम में इतने ज़्यादा बिजी हैं आजकल के टाइम में. सो आई हार्डली सी पीपल टेकिंग केयर मच ऑफ देयर हेल्थ, दो दिस कोविड हैज़ टॉट सो मेनी लेसन्स टू अस. But generally I'm talking about, so the feeling of satisfaction has come in this business for me. And yes, the most amazing part, the company gives free vacations. I don't see and I've never heard. So if you do a good job throughout your year, so you get company paid vacations, and you can take your full family, your parents with you. And next year it's Cape Town. So I'm looking forward to it. We have that's international, and national is Goa. So I'm eyeing on that. I'm trying my best. Let's see if I qualify for that or not. But then yes, I just wanted to share that today I'm so happy. I have attended 3 sessions since morning, but I'm not at all tired. I'm full energetic, and right now I'm going to just quickly finish my lunch and grab my Fresh, which is my energy booster these days. So have a good day, guys. I hope you get some quick tips or some quick lessons that I have learned, and making changes in my life. Have a good day. Bye bye.